where I'm actually like where the plants are. I don't know why I'm recording this. I guess just to test. Yeah. So cute. These actually have spikes. It's dangerous. Let me see. I think this one's kind of cute. It has like kind of feathery things right there. Ooh. Oh. Bye. Oh, that one's kind of cheap. It's 99. Okay. Flamingo or ostrich or something. Okay, bye.